Whether you're watching a ball game, attending an outdoor concert, or exploring in the woods, we all know that having a lightweight and compact chair makes life a little easier. Cascade Mountain Tech's ultralight packable chair and ultralight packable high back chair are two lightweight, compact, and supportive seats for any adventure seeker. Both chairs are designed with an aluminum shock cord pole structure that makes for a quick and hassle-free setup. Once the frame is fully assembled, slide the upper portion of the seat on first, and then gently pull the lower section over the poles on the bottom of the frame until they fit into their slots. Comprised of breathable mesh and durable 600 denier polyester, our ultralight packable chairs offer cooling comfort at a great value. The high back chair offers an extended back section with a detachable headrest for even greater support. Designed with an ultralight construction, our low-rise chair weighs a total of 2.5 pounds, and the high back model weighs in at just under 4 pounds. Both chairs are durable enough to support up to 250 pounds. When you're ready to pack out, the chair legs can be rolled up into the seat back and stored in the included carry bag for transport. Attach the bag to your backpack or sling it over your shoulder and add some comfort to your next adventure.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical, and today we've got an LED lighted pocket microscope of ours called the Microbright Plus. Now right away you can see it, this is nice and compact. And as far as pocket microscopes go, this one couldn't be more simple to use. This is one impressive little microscope. It actually has a range from 60 to 120 power, which is huge. With this you can see things that the naked eye just can't. If you enjoy looking at plant life, or need a microscope that you can travel with, the Microbright works outside and can be stored right inside your pocket. You got this little knob here at the top that slides back and forth and is used for changing magnification. Below that we have a nice wide focus adjustment wheel, which wraps around the body and is really good to give you that extra control when focusing. So pocket microscopes. If you don't need a traditional microscope and you're looking for something a little more portable, then you're going to love the Microbright Plus. You can look at literally anything. A couple fun things to look at are the hidden things found on currency, like the microprinting. And any type of fabric looks great under this thing. With the lenses in this device, even a thin strand of hair will deliver some pretty impressive results. And the lenses in this device are spheric. That means less distortion and a better overall image for the user. Speaking of the lenses, the optical quality inside this is superior to most pocket microscopes out there. It's amazing how simple everyday items can come to life under a microscope. This microscope definitely makes detailed inspection a lot easier. The built-in LED is positioned so you can look at three-dimensional objects or flat surfaces.
These high-powered binoculars provide 10 times magnification with 25mm objective lenses for high-definition sight at 1,000 yards. Plus, the 1.03-inch eye relief makes the image sharp without changing colors or blurring. The rubber armor and anti-skid design makes the binoculars waterproof, shock-resistant, and durable. The foldable design and 0.6-pound weight means you can take it everywhere. Great for bird watchers, hunters, hikers, spectators, theater goers, and more. See further.
Izzy here, and today I'm going to show you how to keep your lenses secure, safe, and accessible at all times with the Altura Photo neoprene lens pouches. It comes in 4 convenient sizes. You have small, medium, large, and extra large, and you can also purchase it in 3-pack, which is a small, medium, and large, and a 4-pack with all 4. What makes these pouches different from the rest is the extra padding around the edges and dual padding on the inside to protect it against any scrapes or bumps, and the double thick padding on the bottom to protect against dropping it. And the added benefit of weather resistance so that you can work in any harsh environment. On the inside, you'll find a super soft lining to protect your lens against blemishes and scratches. To seal the pouch, you have the drawstring closure to keep your lens sealed and safe, And you also have the added benefit of a swivel clip, which you can attach to your belt or to your existing camera bag. So to maintain your lenses safe and secure, whether you're going to place them inside your existing camera bag or take them on the go individually, always use the Altura Photo neoprene lens pouches.